Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. Do you have all about your breakfast this morning?
No.
Yes. We are safe. Okay, before we start our new topic, let me check your attendance. When I call your name, please raise your hand and say present miss with excited. Okay, for the first, Amir Fahrudin.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Sarah Nabila Imamatul Bahiro. Present miss. Adinda Husnul Khatimah.
Present miss.
Salza Febi Putri Melati. Present. Solihatun Masufa.
Miss.
Mayang Sekar Febriandi. Dea Tania Nurun Hihaya.
Present
And the last, Taufan Zaldito Firdaus.
Present.
Okay, great. Everyone is here. Now, who still remember what we learned in our last material?
Narrative text, Miss.
Yes, that's right. Did you still remember what is narrative text, Mbak Dinda?
Text that tell about story to entertain.
Yes, that's right. Narrative text is a text that tell about imaginary about the character and event. So today we will learn about the new text. It's based on real event. So today we're gonna learn about recon text. What is a recon text? Ada yang udah pernah dengar? Tahu nggak recon text itu apa?
Oh.
Okay, let's learn together. Coba dibacakan, Mas Dito.
Recount text is a text that tells about something that happened in the past.
Yes, that's right. A recon text is a text that tells about something that happened in the past. Jadi recon text ini menjelaskan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau. Makanya dia menekankan di in the past. Yes. It tells us about who was involved. Artinya apa, Mbak Dinda? Siapa saja yang terlibat di dalam cerita. Yang kedua, what happened? Apa yang terjadi. Yang ketiga, when and where it happened. Kapan dan di mana. Yang terakhir, how the person felt.
Gimana perasaan orang?
Betul. Jadi menceritakannya ada berapa? 4. Oke. Jadi recon text are often based on true stories like holiday, school event, or funny moment. Jadi di sini tuh dia bisa memakai real, yang real saja untuk bisa diceritakan kembali di dalam recon text. Example. Please follow after me. Last Sunday, I went to the zoo with my family.
Last Sunday, I went to the zoo with my family.
We saw many animals like elephant, monkey, and lions.
We saw many animals like elephants, monkeys, and lions.
We also took many photos and ate lunch together.
We also took many photos and ate lunch together.
It was a very fun and exciting day for all of us.
It was a very fun and exciting day for all of us.
So that's why that is a recon text, example of recon text. Dia memakai past tense, ya kan? Ini past tense yang mana dia sudah terjadi di in the past, dia sudah terjadi, and this is based on true stories or real event. Okay? Structure of recon text. Recon text have a 3 parts. Apa aja Mbak Salsa?
Ada orientation, event, dan reorientation.
Okay, let's learn. Orientation is introduce who, siapa, when, kapan, and where, di mana. And the second tentang event, tells what happened step by step. Jadi di sini it's tell by explaining with tell with one by one. And the last is reorientation and of the story and show the feeling. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next material is about language feature of a recon text. Here are some key language feature in recon text. How do you ada berapa menurut kalian kira-kira language feature-nya?
Ya, 4
Ada.
Miss, 4.
Oke, that's right.
Wih, bener.
Yang pertama karena it has happened in the past, jadi dia otomatis memakai past tense dari verb, past tense verb dari dia memakai verb yang kedua. When itu kan verb 2 dari yang pertama go. Saw itu verb kedua dari see. Play dari play. Eat dari eat. Visit dari visit. Oke. Pinter-pinter ya.
Amin.
Oke. And the second one is time expression. Contohnya adalah yesterday, last week, in the morning, 2 days ago. Time expression ini seperti contoh tadi last Sunday. So it's tell about the time when the story is tell about. And the third is sequence word. Ada first, then after that, and finally, and the last is descriptive word. Descriptive word is when you want to tell about your story. If your story is talking about happy, your expression when you speaking about your story, it must be happy. If your context about you tell about sad moment, you must be sad expression too. Do you get it, guys?
Yes, sir. Miss.
Okay. And the next activity is reading activity. Read and answer. For the left section, please read Mbak Dinda.
Yesterday was a special day for me because I went to the beach with my parents. We left the house in the morning and brought some snacks, towels, and toys. When we arrived, the weather was sunny and the sky was blue.
Okay, thank you. At the right section, please read this one, Mbak Dea.
First, we found a nice spot and built a big sand castle together. I made the walls and towers while my dad made a small flag on top. Then we changed our clothes and went swimming in the sea. The weather was cold at first, but then it felt nice.
Okay, thank you. The left section, please read Mbak Salsa.
Yang mana, Miss?
The left side.
After playing and swimming, we sat under a tree to rest. My mom gave us ice cream. I chose chocolate flavor, was so yummy. We laughed and talked while watching the weather.
Okay, thank you so much. And the last paragraph is please read Mbak Mayang.
It was one of the happiest days I had. I hope we can go to the beach again next weekend.
Okay, thank you so much. After you guys reading this 4 paragraph is about one story, I have assignment for you. It is comprehension question. I will give you the story in this paper, and you must do about 5 comprehension question, and I will present one by one of your name to answer this one. Okay?
Oke.
Answer until 2 minutes later. I will give you 2 minutes. Have you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Wow, cepat sekali ya. Oke. Let's discuss together. For the first question is, please read this question, Mbak Dinda.
Who went to the beach?
What's the answer, Mas Amir?
Yang mana, Miss?
For the first question,
The writer and their parents.
that's right, Mas Amir. Thank you so much. And the second question, please read this question, Mbak Sarah.
What time did they go to the beach?
Okay, what is the answer, Mbak Lika?
in the morning.
Okay, thank you so much, Mbak Lika. And the third question, what did they do at the beach? Mas Dito. When
Build
did-
a sandcastle, swim in the sea, and ate ice cream.
Fourth question, what did the writer eat? Mbak Jaya.
Nomor 4 nih.
Yes.
The answer is chocolate ice cream.
I will another exercise about speaking activity. It tell your own short story about a context. And I have an instruction for the first thing of your favorite memory. Either about holidays, fun day at school, sad moment in the school or in the campus, birthday, and another else. And the second is use past tense. As we learned together before at language filter, we use past tense for to recontext. And the third is use time expression. If your storytelling talk about happy, please be happy too to explain. And the last is add your feeling at the end. So I will choose two or three random for you to stand up and in here in front of your friend to tell your story. I will give you 2 minutes, okay?
Oke.
Short story only, short story saja. Ada kesulitan Mbak Dinda? Ada kesulitan Mbak? Okay. Who want to try telling about your own story? Please raise your hand, or I will just random pick for you. Mbak Dinda, sepertinya sudah siap. Please stand up and tell about your friend what your recontextual about. Okay? Please listen to your friends.
A day at the zoo. Last holiday, I visited the zoo with my family. First, we saw the elephants, and I even fed one with a banana. Then we went to see the lions, monkeys, and giraffe. After that, we stopped at the zoo cafe and ate lunch together. Later, I took many pictures with my dad's phone. Then we watched a bird show and clapped loudly. Finally, we bought souvenirs before going home. I felt so amazed and excited after seeing so many animals.
Okay,
That
thank
is-
you. Thank you so much. Give us applause. Okay, thank you Mbak Dinda. Okay. Waktunya terbatas, limited times. I will close, but let's review sedikit ya. Kita review sedikit. Hari ini kita belajar apa? Recontext. What is a recontext? Mbak Lika. Recontext is
It's a text that tell about something that happened in the past.
okay. What are three parts? Strukturnya ada 3 apa? Orientation, event, and reorientation. What tenses that this text have? Tensesnya?
Past tense.
Oke, selain itu struktur yang dipakai selain use past tense ada
Ada time
tense expression, sequence words, and descriptive words. Awesome! Give yourself a big round of applause. Okay. Thank you so much for your attention, class. I will finish this material. Thank you so much. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.